SQL classes. So today our topic is about distinct keyword in SQL. So what is the use of distinct keyword and how we use a distinct keyword in SQL? I will clearly explain it to you. All right. Let us move to the our workbench. So see here, I choose one table here, that is my info table. Okay. So in the my info table, the data is present here. See the data. So here, so many records are duplicated here. Duplicate in the sense same records are repeating here. See here, a Roy, a Roy, a Roy. The one name is repeating, one record is repeating three times, right? So these values are called duplicate values. Okay. So inside a table, a column often contains many duplicate values. Sometimes you only want a list of different values. So if you want a different values, then what keyword you have to use to get the different values? So to avoid these all duplicate values, we need only distinct values, the unique values, the different values from a table. So I'm going to write a query. First, I'm going to give a syntax of a distinct keyword. So just as normally what we do, we use to get back something data from the table, we use select operator, right? So I am writing select. So select distinct. Here we have to use the distinct keyword, distinct, distinct. Now which column you want unique values, from which column you want distinct values, you need to mention that column name. For suppose I need, so this is a syntax, right? So just I make it the, what I am using here, I am using just comments. So SQL comments, right? So select distinct. So which column you want, column name, write down the column name, column name. So if you want more columns, more than one column, you can write that column also with separating with the comma, right? So column name, first column, this is column name 2, column, column name 2. So you can give n number of columns, how many columns you want, you can give that many. So at the same time, just you separate with the comma, that's it. Then you have to use from where you want, from which table you want distinct values. So you need to mention the table name, right? I here my table name is my info, but the syntax is here, I'm writing table name. Okay. So this is your syntax for creating a distinct keyword. Am I clear? This is a syntax to select the distinct values from a table, right? I am going to use now a query. I am going to write the real-time query, right? So see, just I am this copy paste here. Yeah. Yes. Yes. See here. Select distinct column name 2 from table. We need to change the column name. Just we have to change the column name. So see the table present here down, my info table is there na? So in the my info table, the names are duplicate, right? I am using the name. I am using name, and at the same time here last name also duplicate there. Okay, I need to change the last name also. Last name. Here last name is L name. So these two things I need from a table. Okay, I need from table. Which table? My info table. Okay, I need to change the table name. My table name is my info. Table name is my info. Is my table name. All right. Can I? It is this query is ready to execute now, right? So just I'm going to execute it. See, right? See here, only the distinct values resulted out, displayed out. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So is there any duplicate? See here, Prem, Ram, Son, Giri, Rake, Roy. So if there is no duplicate in this. Yes or no? There is no duplicate in this. So this totally different. Okay, right? So now, if you want, yeah, now you are cleared about distinct, right? So just I am selecting start from my info. So see, these are the names which are which contains duplicate values also here, but here if we execute this query, there is no duplicate value. So first, suppose if you want mention id column also here, see id column also we can mention here. Okay, distinct id id comma distinct id comma, yeah. So now shall I execute this? Yes, I can execute this one. See now, it now when I included the id column, then here values are column values also included. See now, 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 1. Why 1 1 is repeating? Do you observe this? 1 1 is repeating, but the distinct keyword repeat only unique values, right? But here 1 1 is why it is repeating means here name is different. Okay, here name is different. Here name is different, but id is same. Okay, if you mention only id, then it will work out. See now, if one is won't repeat now. If I only use if I use only id, one is won't repeat now. See now, see one is won't repeat here. Why? Because whenever there is distinct value in any column, it is going to display out. So understood what I am saying, trying to say? So now I mentioned here id, only id. That's the reason here only ids are displayed which are unique. Am I clear? If I mention here name, only names are displayed. With a combination of id and name, both are displayed. But if anyone contain the duplicate, that will also displayed here. See, now just I am including name. So if I am including name column to this, see now, see 1 1 is repeating. 1 1 is why it is repeating means there are different names, there are unique names, but IDs are same but unique names. So that's the reason it is repeating. If you use only name, only names are displayed, unique names are displayed. See, unique names are displayed. Is there any duplicate name? No. So this is about a distinct keyword. Am I clear? Right. Now moving to the same concept, but we have to use count. See now, now what we did, distinct keyword. With the help of the distinct keyword, we result the distinct records out, right? Now what we are doing here, how many records total? Counting total distinct records. Count the distinct records. If the query is asking like that, we should uh, run the query like this. So we need count. So see here how many distinct names are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So these 6 we should display out. Right, now what we do here, so same as previous one, select. Now we have to use here aggregate function, that is count open parenthesis count. Now what should I write here? Same distinct distinct name. Sorry, here typo. Distinct distinct name distinct name. So distinct name from my info. Distinct name from my info. Distinct name from my info. Right. If I execute this, what is the result? If I execute this, the result is 6. Okay, the result is 6. See now, what is the result? My result is 6. Am I clear? So just what I am adding here, just I am adding count operator. So count phrase here, count keyword here. So count keyword, in the count I am writing distinct name. For suppose if I keep here distinct id, what it will going to display out? See, same 7. So see here, how many distinct ids are there here? 7. Shall we go and check it? What are the 7 here? So just I'm going to execute. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? Distinct ids are 7. Yeah, it is correct. Distinct ids are 7, but distinct names are 6. Okay, can I use here separating with comma? Can I use here name? So ready, it is ready to execute. Or shall we execute? What will happen? We will see. So it is displaying 8, Why it is displaying 8? Why? Because it is here. See here, count distinct id and name. Distinct id and name. So first I will execute distinct id and name. You will get one clarity, right? I will make it down. Distinct id and name. Okay, I am using here id separate with comma and name, right? I will execute this one. See, so total here how many records are there here? 8 records. You can observe it, you can count this one. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 7, but here 1 is repeating 2 times, so it is becomes 8. So it is calculated in total records as 8. Am I clear? So you can use distinct keyword with count operator also. Okay, so if he is asking us to count the distinct values, so you can use this SQL query. Okay, so this is about your distinct keyword in the SQL. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for updates from us.